A since-deleted Reddit post claims to have shared a memo from a UAW branch that claims that the Dearborn Engine Plant that builds the F-150 Raptor R engine will be adding an afternoon shift to its niche assembly line due to an expected volume increase for a potential 2026 Mustang Shelby GT500, the official one, not the Shelby American crap, but the real Shelby. And apparently this memo also said, I can't wait until we start building engines for such an iconic vehicle with an engine that will be named Legend. And so, I mean, oftentimes I haven't seen memos that say I'm excited. So maybe this isn't legit. We will see. It has, since been taken down. But if this is true, that's the first time we've seen Legend as an engine name here for the Ford. Kind of fits with, the naming schemes they've often gone for. And when Motor One asked Ford about this, they just said they don't comment on speculation. So they didn't squash it, but, they're not saying any confirmation either. And, the sooner it comes, the better, because Mustang sales are doing terrible, even so far this year. Compared to even winter sales of last year, sales are down 34%. And so, they need something to freshen it up. I think everyone that wanted a dark horse and all those others have already gotten them, and everyone else just thinks it's too expensive. GT500 won't help that, but at least it'll, get some of those, people willing to spend the big bucks on Mustangs, get them out of the woodwork and into a new Mustang here.